Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a BMW 3 Series headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Always check your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type needed for your specific model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll likely see a cover that needs to be removed. Depending on your BMW 3 Series model, this might involve unscrewing a few screws or releasing some clips. Once the cover is off, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Be careful not to pull on the wires themselves, but rather on the connector housing. Now it's time to remove the old bulb. This usually involves a quarter turn or releasing a small clip that holds it in place. Once it's loose, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure it's firmly seated and aligned properly. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, put the headlight assembly cover back on and fasten any screws or clips you removed earlier. Before you finish, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Turn on your car and test the new headlight to confirm it's working properly. You've successfully replaced your BMW 3 Series headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.